Ever wondered how a simple green pod could transform your hair care routine? Today, we're diving into the ancient secrets of okra. Yeah, this little veggie not only boosts hair growth, but also nourishes your scalp and hair from within. Stick around to see how you can make it, drink it, and use it for amazing hair. My name is Iman, I suffer from hair loss, and on this channel, we look at natural remedies to fight hair loss and regrow hair. So let's just get into it. Let's rewind to over 3,000 years ago in Ethiopia and Egypt. Imagine ancient Egyptians known for their wisdom growing a plant they called kinagombo. I probably am butchering that, or what we call okra today. This wasn't just food, it was a beauty and health secret. In the bustling markets along the Nile, okra wasn't just for eating. Ancient texts show Egyptians used okra mucilage to soothe sore throats and wounds, and even as a natural skin conditioner. Picture this, an ancient Egyptian healer unrolling a papyrus scroll covered in hieroglyphics. These symbols tell the story of how okra became a medicinal staple. Healers would slice the pods, boil them to release that gooey mixture, and strain the mixture into a smooth, healing gel. And this gel was used to calm sore throats and heal wounds. I'm definitely using this the next time I get a sore throat. Speaking of beauty secrets, Cleopatra, the legendary queen bee of Egypt, was known for her elaborate beauty rituals. And it is said that she used okra as part of her hair care routine to keep her hair luscious and shiny. And Cleopatra was ahead of the curve, and her beauty secrets even today have stood the test of time. Fast forward to today, and okra is still celebrated for its incredible benefits, especially for hair growth. Here's how you can use it for maximum hair growth. So you'll need 5 to 10 okra pods and some water. So I clean my okra pods and make sure I boil it in spring water or filtered water until they become soft and the water turns thick and mucilaginous, or basically just very gooey and stringy, and it has this gel texture. It's so cool. But once you let it cool, then you strain the liquid, and then you apply this okra gel to your scalp and your hair, focusing on the roots, reducing dryness and scalp irritation, and it acts as a natural conditioner as well. So any store-bought conditioner, you can put it right in the bin. You don't even need it anymore. So let's break down why okra is so beneficial for your hair. So the gooey content in okra deeply moisturizes, reducing dryness and irritation. It's basically like a natural conditioner. It has vitamins A and C in okra, which promote sebum production, which naturally moisturizes your scalp and hair. Plus the protein content supports hair structure and reduces breakage. It's an all-in-one, really. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which is a major factor in hair loss, and improves blood circulation to the scalp. And if you've been watching me for a while, all I ever do is bang on about blood circulation to the scalp. So this is so key. Folate is also crucial for healthy cell division and growth, including your hair follicles. Okra's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce dandruff and soothe scalp conditions. So if you have an itchy scalp, psoriasis, this is really going to help soothe it. But wait, there is more. Did you know that okra has been used for centuries in traditional African and Indian hair care routines? And in these cultures, okra is commonly used as a natural conditioner and treatment for hair and scalp health. So the mucilage from boiled okra pods is often applied to the hair to enhance moisture and shine. And if you have curly hair, I'm North African, I'm from Morocco, so I have naturally curly hair, and I found that this gooey texture defined my curls, and it was the best curling cream or gel that I ever used. But guys, that is not all. So drinking okra water is not only refreshing, but it's so packed with so many health benefits, and it's rich in soluble fiber. It aids in digestion and helps maintain blood sugar levels. Plus, it is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that boost your overall hair health. So it aids in digestion if you have IBS, bloating, a lot of gas. This soluble fiber content helps with digestion, and it helps to maintain blood sugar levels. So if you are diabetic, it's really good for you, and it boosts overall hair health because it's packed with vitamins and minerals. So let's dive a bit deeper into how you can incorporate okra into your daily routine. So one of my favorite ways is making okra water. It's super simple. You just cut up a few okra pods, put them in a cup of water, and you can let it sit for at least an hour or best overnight. And in the morning, you'll have a refreshing drink that's packed with health benefits. benefits. And here's a fun fact. So in some cultures, okra water is believed to act as a natural aphrodisiac, enhancing stamina and vitality. While more scientific research is needed, this okra is it's good for everything, really. So you want to incorporate okra into your hair care routine at least once or twice a week, which can really work wonders. And don't forget to include it in your diet. So my grandma makes this mean okra dish. It's so banging. I just think it's so versatile as well. So I've also put it in the oven and it's got really crispy with the salt and it's the gooiness and everything. It's just amazing. I really recommend, if you're feeling adventurous, to use okra in your cooking. It's a great addition to soups, stews and salad, and it really adds a unique flavor. So there you have it, the ancient secret to beautiful healthy hair. Give okra a try.